Hi, welcome back to my channel. DigitalOcean has established itself as a prominent player in the cloud hosting market, particularly appealing to developer and small to medium-sized business. Its offerings are designed to provide a straightforward and efficient way to host website and application. Here a comprehensive look at what DigitalOcean bring to the table for web hosting user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of Digital Ocean is its its intuitive user interface. The platform is designed to simplify the process of developing and managing web application. User can easily create and manage droplets virtual machine with just a 5-click, making it accessible even for those who may not have extensive technical experience. This as of use particularly benefit for a developer looking to quickly launch project without getting bogged down in complex configuration, performance, and scalability. DigitalOcean's infrastructure is built on high performance SSD based on storage which significantly enhancing the speed and reliability of web application. The platform offers scalable solution allowing users to start with a small droplet and easily upgrade it to larger in- instance as their need grow. This flexibility is crucial for business that anticipate fluctuating traffic level, ensuring that they can scale resources up or down without hassle. Cost effective wins. DigitalOcean is known for its competitive price structure, which appeal to startup and small business. The pay-as-you-go model allow user to only pay for the resources the e-consume, making it a budget-friendly option for web hosting. User can choose from various droplet configuration to match their specific need, ensuring they get the best value for their investment. Community and support. The DigitalOcean community is robust and active, providing a wealth of resources for users. The platform offers extensive documentation and tutorial and community from where users can seek help and share knowledge. This community driving support is invaluable, especially for those not web hosting or looking to troubleshoot specific issue. However, some have reported that while the community is helpful, direct customer support can sometimes be slow to respond. Development option. DigitalOcean support a variety of development options, making it versatile for different type of web application. User can deploy application using pre-configured image for popular framework like the Django, Node.js, and WordPress, which streamline the step process. Additionally, the platform offers Kubernetes support for those looking to manage containerized application. Further enhancing its appeal to developer security feature. Security is crucial consideration for any web hosting service, and DigitalOcean provides several features to help protect user data. User can implement firewall enable to factor authentication and utilize private networking to each and security. These features are essential for business that handle sensitive information and need to ensure compliance with data protection regulation. Thank you for watching this video.